Welcome back to the Health Channel. In this video, we will explore the various advantages of honey. Honey, the wonderfully sweet and sticky substance produced by bees, is not only known for its delightful taste but also for its impressive health benefits. For our newcomers, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're here to keep you updated with the latest wellness tips and tricks. 1. Honey as a treatment for burns. Throughout history, honey has proven itself as an effective and natural treatment for burns. Its antimicrobial properties and the ability of honey to promote wound healing make it a valuable remedy for burns of various degrees. Additionally, honey contains natural substances, such as hydrogen peroxide and methylglyoxal, which possess antibacterial and antiviral properties. When honey is applied to a burn, it helps combat potential infections, reducing the risk of complications. Honey also has anti-inflammatory properties, making the healing process more comfortable. It accelerates the healing of burns by stimulating the growth of new skin cells. It also creates a moist environment around the wound, which promotes the healing process and can reduce scarring. This brings us to the next point, scar reduction. Regularly applying honey to burns can help reduce scarring, especially for superficial burns. Honey's moisturizing properties keep the skin hydrated and promote smoother healing. 2. Honey and allergy reduction. Local honey is sometimes considered a natural remedy for reducing allergies. The use of honey for allergies, especially seasonal allergies like hay fever, is based on the principle of immunotherapy or desensitization. Immunotherapy is a treatment that aims to make the immune system less reactive to allergens, reducing allergy symptoms. Local honey is produced by bees collecting nectar from local plants and flowers. As a result, honey may contain small amounts of pollen from the specific plant species that trigger allergic reactions in people. The idea is that regularly consuming this local honey introduces small doses of these pollens into the body. Through repeated exposure to these small amounts of pollen, the immune system can gradually become accustomed to the allergens. Instead of a strong and hypersensitive response to the allergens, the immune system may react less vigorously over time. People may experience fewer symptoms such as sneezing, itchy eyes, a runny nose, and other allergy complaints, because their immune system would react less quickly and intensely to the pollen that normally bothers them. It is important to note that the effectiveness of honey in reducing allergic symptoms can vary significantly from person to person. People with severe allergies should always seek medical advice and discuss their allergy management approach with a healthcare provider. 3. Honey and digestive improvement. Honey is known for its beneficial effects on digestion. This is primarily due to the presence of natural enzymes in honey, such as amylase, which helps break down starchy foods, and invertase, which splits sugars. These enzymes support the digestion and absorption of nutrients in the intestines, making digestion more efficient. Additionally, honey has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe stomach discomfort. People suffering from heartburn or indigestion can benefit from consuming honey because it softens the stomach's mucous membranes and reduces irritation. Honey forms a protective layer that covers the stomach lining and relieves irritation, resulting in a significant reduction in acid reflux symptoms. These natural properties make honey an excellent addition to a healthy diet, especially for people with digestive issues. It can promote overall digestion, alleviate stomach discomfort, and provide a sense of comfort after meals. 4. Honey for energy. Honey serves as an excellent source of natural energy. The sugars in honey, mainly glucose and fructose, are quickly absorbed by the body and serve as readily available fuel. What sets honey apart from refined sugars like table sugar is that it does not cause sharp fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Unlike refined sugars, which lead to rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, honey provides a gradual and sustained release of energy. This means it delivers a steady stream of energy without the subsequent fatigue and irritability often associated with sugar highs and lows. As a result, honey is an excellent choice for people in need of long-lasting and reliable energy, such as athletes before, during, or after exercise. 5. Natural source of vitamins and minerals. In addition to its other benefits, honey also serves as a natural source of vitamins and minerals. While the levels vary depending on the flower and plant species from which bees collect nectar, Honey typically contains small amounts of nutrients such as vitamin C, calcium, iron, and potassium. These nutrients contribute to a balanced diet and can help maintain good health. For example, vitamin C is an antioxidant that strengthens immunity and promotes skin health. Calcium and potassium are essential for strong bones and muscle function, while iron plays a crucial role in oxygen transport in the body. Although the amounts of vitamins and minerals in honey are not sufficient to serve as a primary source, it can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Adding honey to your meals or drinks can contribute to your daily intake of these important nutrients and help prevent deficiencies. 5. Relief from sore throat and cough. Honey has been known for centuries for its soothing properties and effective treatment of sore throats. It provides a natural and tasty way to reduce discomfort and irritation in the throat. Honey has demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties. Sore throats are often caused by inflamed and irritated mucous membranes in the throat, often due to a viral infection such as a cold or the flu. The anti-inflammatory properties of honey can help reduce this irritation, leading to reduced pain. Additionally, honey has a natural viscosity and texture that can soothe and hydrate the mucous membranes in the throat. This is especially useful for a dry and irritated throat, as it helps create a protective layer and reduces friction when swallowing, coughing, and speaking. Honey has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, particularly due to the presence of substances like hydrogen peroxide and methyl glyoxal. If the sore throat is the result of a bacterial infection, using honey can help inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria and expedite the healing process. Honey can also alleviate coughing. It has a soothing effect on the throat and can help reduce coughing fits, especially with dry coughs. This is valuable for both adults and children, and it is a reason why honey is often recommended as a natural cough remedy. Honey is not only a sweet treat but also offers a range of health benefits, including antioxidant properties, immune enhancement, relief from sore throat and cough, promotion of wound healing, improved digestion, a healthy source of energy, and potential allergy reduction. However, it is essential to consume honey in moderation because it still contains sugar. As part of a balanced diet, honey can be a valuable addition that not only delights our taste buds but also contributes to our overall health and well-being. And there you have it. Some of the incredible health benefits and practical uses of honey. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Any health topic you want us to make a video on? Leave it in the comments. Your path to a healthier life is paved with small, positive changes every day, and honey might just be your secret ingredient. Stay tuned for more health tips and tricks right here on the Health Channel. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.